Okay, so in the following question, what you've been asked to do is to solve for x. And what we're dealing with here is indices. And there's a general rule that, so if you have equations with indices, okay, if you can rearrange it in this form, so a to the power of x, that will be equal to a to the power of y. Okay, so if you can arrange it in this format, then in this case, x is equal to y. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to get the same base number, and then the indices of those numbers will be equal to each other. And that's what we're trying to do with this particular question here. So what you're being able to do, you're being asked to solve for x, and x is here. So if we write this like so, so it's going to be 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. Now, what we want to try and do is we want to try and get this and this to have the same base pair. So at the moment, this is 16 to the power of 1. Okay, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve for x. So if we can get 16 with a base of 4, then whatever its index is, that's what x will be equal to, going by this rule here. So what we can say is that we can rewrite this. So we can say 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. If we were to put it to a power, it's 4 to the power of 2. So remember, 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So what we've done is we've changed this to a base, which is 4. So now we can see that we have it in this format here. So we can see that the base number is the same. So therefore, following this rule, this will apply. So therefore, in this case, x is equal to 2. And that's how you would solve that problem. So your answer then for this question is x is equal to 2.